I got a mystery box from Battlebox for the March Madness sale they were doing, and we're going to go through it right now. I signed up for Battlebox a while back, got the privilege of hanging out with Brandon from Battlebox back in August of last year at the Huntsville Hamfest, and unfortunately, I was hoping to see him in Orlando in February of 2026, but he didn't make it, so hoping to catch up with him again this year in Huntsville. But I picked up a mystery box. Now Battlebox does monthly subscriptions, and with my coupon code that I will share in the description of this video, you can get 15% off of your first Battlebox if you sign up with a subscription, or off of any one-time purchases. You can only use a coupon once, so don't sign up and then cancel and then sign up and cancel. It's not going to work, okay? Or if you buy a one-time thing and then sign up for the subscription, it'll only work for one of them. So just be aware of that. But you do get 15% off. The code is HAMRadio. Again, I'll put the link in the description below. But this is a one-time purchase that I made. They called it their March Madness Mystery Box. They did one a week for all 4 weeks in March, and I picked up one of them, and I want to go through it in the video today. Okay, I haven't even opened this thing yet. It's still got the tape on it. I've been itching to open this thing, but I didn't want to do it until I actually got to make a video about it. Okay, here we go right there. What is that? Okay, that's a little spark necklace. Oh, that's a ferrite necklace. You wear it around your neck, and it's a little ferrite spark thing for starting a fire. That's cool. Okay. Battlebox is cool for stuff like camping, outdoors, survivalist stuff. It's not all radio. They've had radios, some FRS and MERS radios in the past. Not always about radios, but it's still really cool stuff. This is a Gray L Transport 1.5 liter hip bag. Okay. Gray L makes some really cool filtered water drinking bottles, really highly rated. Dave Canterbury's talked about those several times. I've got one I take with me in lots of places, but that's their fanny pack from Gray L there. That's a Wee knife right there. I'll open that in a minute. Okay. So some nice camping tools. Razor EDC, replaceable blade knife, fire starter, and a spork multi-tool. So you got your spork there with the spoon on one side, the fork on the other side. Little kind of wrench right there, a couple different wrenches, bottle opener, pop top there. This will go in my EDC bag that I keep in my RV. That's where that's going to go. And this right here is a Max Shower, Flex Tail Max Shower. Okay, these are cool. I actually picked up one of these from Amazon. It was an off-brand. It wasn't this Flex Tail one. This Flex Tail, they've been getting some really good marks on Amazon stuff. But this is a portable shower. You set it up, you put it into a bucket, and if you're out camping, overlanding, and in your vehicle, in a tent, in your RV, something like that, but you don't have water hookups, you can use this to take a shower in the field. This is pretty cool. I'll be keeping that one for myself as well. And a folding field sharpener. Sharpens knives in the field. Put that in your pack, keep it in your kit, and take it into the field, and if your knife gets dulled, and there you go. All right, we're going to open this box here for the Wee knife. Battlebox typically has a Knife of the Month club for their highest tier Battlebox. I never signed up for the highest tier. I was getting the second highest tier for about 3 or 4 months, and I stopped it because my intention was to make videos with it on my Unplugged channel. I just ran out of time. I never got to do it. I stopped it. I might start it up again eventually. Here we go. Oh, cool little sticker there. We all like stickers, right? Cleaning tool there. Okay, that's a nifty little case to carry it in right there. I know a lot of people question knives and flashlights that are in my mystery box or other mystery boxes, and then a lot of people say, wow, a knife or a flashlight, that's awesome. So a lot of people really like knives and flashlights. I'm one of those. I have a lot of different pocket knives. I had a lot of different flashlights. I'm an Olight dealer on my store. I've got another brand that reached out to me, wants me to carry their stuff. Made Better. Wee Knife. WeKnife.com. WeKnife.com. That's what that is right there. So, cool little knife. Might try that out and put that in my pocket. It's got a belt clip on it right there to easy. Wow, that end is sharp. It is not spring assist. It's not spring assist. I'm just flipping it open myself, which is easy to do, but it's not assisted. Stay like that if you want it to. So, but that is I think this box is box number 3 for the 3rd week. It might be the 2nd week. I don't remember. But I love getting the battle boxes in. I really do. I should do more videos with them. But again, check the link in the description below. You can save 15% off of a single purchase or of your first month of a subscription with the coupon code of HAMRadio that I'll put in the link below. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you have a Battlebox subscription, and if you would like to see what I have thought about is reaching out to some of these brands that Battlebox works with, including Grail, Wazoo, the Wii Knife. I'm not familiar with them, but there's a couple other stuff, other things I've gotten in other mystery boxes before, and saying, hey, I want to put your stuff in my mystery box subscription service. How do we work that out? So I would love to do that, but tell me your comments in the video below about what items you do and don't like from Battlebox, and we'll kind of go from there, and let me know if you have a subscription with them. 73 guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.